Hey guys, it's Courtney with Southern Owls. I'm here just finishing up this wreath tonight real quick. It's a wreath that I was working on at lunchtime and then my daughter woke up. So I'm just going to add some ribbon tails to this and finish this wreath up. That's where we left off. It says Shake Your Shamrock, and this is a custom order. So we're just going to put on some ribbon tails and then this wreath will be done. So we have 7 sections left, and I'm going to do 5 of these. And this is just a piece of cardboard cut at 12 inches. So these are going to be 12-inch ribbon tails. And I'm just threading my scissors through. Hey guys. Welcome back. Good evening. How's everyone doing? Guys, I would say I'm good, but I'm running on empty. Y'all were here earlier. Y'all saw my daughter. She woke up from her nap, and she has asthma. So, like, whenever the weather changes like this, it really affects her. And so I was giving her some breathing treatments yesterday and today, and when she woke up from her nap, I was like, I gotta take her to the doctor. So I picked up my son from school, and then I actually ran to the doctor, and I'm so glad I did because her lungs were tight. So she's on a steroid, and she's on breathing treatments, and she's on like a kid version of a Z-Pack because she has like a slight ear infection. So I'm a little exhausted, but I wanted to finish this wreath, so I'm just going to do a quick live tonight, and then I'm hopping off, because I always like to sleep with my kids when they're sick, just in case they need me. Like, I'm right there. I don't know. I know that might be helicopter mom, but, my little mama heart. I just have to. Hi, guys. When you hop on, let me know where you're watching from. I know, I feel so bad. I feel so bad for her that she has this poor asthma. I just can't even imagine. Hey, Utah. Hey, I always want to say when someone puts South California, I don't know, my brain just says South Carolina. Hey, Michigan. Oh, there is a South Carolina. Hey, Texas. Another Michigan. I know. I'm just going to finish. She's with her daddy right now. Well, she should be sleeping. And then I'm going to sneak in there and sleep with her tonight. So I just wanted to finish this one up and then go lay with her. I'm just going to do 3 of the striped ribbon of the 2.5. And then I'm going to do some of the 1.5. because I have the same ribbon in a smaller size. Hey guys, hey Oklahoma, Florida. How old is she? She's 2.5. So we found out, this poor girl, she had asthma at 2. She had a severe asthma attack. We had to take her to the ER. It was so bad. We were there for 2 nights, and it was so awful. So now she has a pulmonologist and an allergist, and I feel like we have a pretty good handle on things. It's only been, it's been like 7 months since we found out that she has asthma. So you just, there's highs and lows. And so I just kind of know, like, my little mommy spider senses. I'm like, she's not really sounding great even after a breathing treatment. I think we better go to the doctor. Hey. Oh, hey, Nashville. My whole family's from Tennessee. Okay, so we're going to do, so if you can tell, this sign's pretty big, right? So it kind of takes up the corners where the burlap is. So we're going to do that V technique And then on these, we're going to do X technique. So we'll do the bottom one first. Okay, let me lay all these out. So we're going to take, actually I want to do the glitter on top. We're going to take our ribbon tails, the 2.5s, and find the middle and give them a good pinch. Make an X, and then just lay that right down into those pipe cleaners. And then fluff them. And then we're going to take the next set. Oh, I did not cut the wire and it's stringing out. We're going to take the, hey! We're going to take the next set of 2.5 inch and do the same thing. Behind the middle, make an X, and then just lay them right in. This is so cute. And this is a custom order, guys, so this will not be on my Etsy page. Oh man, those clovers only go one way. I did not notice that. Hold on, let me pick that up and flip it. So they're not upside down. I didn't realize those clovers only go one way on the glittery ribbon. Okay, let me flip those tails around. There we go. So cute. I love this ribbon. So all the ribbon tonight, guys, is from Craft Outlet. Hold on, let me redo that because it looks weird now that I flipped it. It's from Craft Outlet, and Craft Outlet's an online store based out of Louisiana. And I just like them because I'm in Texas, and so like they have like really fast shipping. No, this one's on my Etsy page. I just posted it today. I posted it today. So y'all go take a look at that. My link's in my bio. My name's Southern Owls, so you can go check that out. Alright, we're going to do the same thing for all the lime green ones. We're going to do that X pattern. So let's do all those first, and then we'll do the V's. So we're just going to do that same thing. This is 2.5 inch wired ribbon. And just laying that right down into those pipe cleaners. If y'all were watching earlier, put some green hearts in the comments if y'all watched part 1. Let me know who's coming back again. Alright, and the same thing. Hey! How are you? Thanks, I know, I'm obsessed with Harry Potter, guys. Thank you. And this Texas girl does not like the cold, so I needed my sweatshirt on tonight. Gosh, and I'm so annoyed because it's going to be like raining all weekend. Oh, hey guys, I'm so glad you're back for part 2. So glad you're here. Okay. Make that X pattern and then just put them right down, right into those pipe cleaner. And then the next one. I know, I'm so ready for some warm weather. Oh my goodness. You know what, guys? So I posted the new post. Oh, I did it backwards again. On my Etsy shop from my phone. So the 2 new Valentine's Day wreaths aren't going to be under my Valentine's Day tab. You're going to have to go to all wreaths and it will pull them up that way. When I get to my salon, my hair studio tomorrow, I'll be able to categorize it better. But I don't know how to do it from my phone. I don't know. I can't figure out how to categorize stuff. Okay, I'm going to put those on there. And now we're going to do the V's. Oh, thank you for liking my Etsy shop. Let me get this out of the way because it keeps on getting stuck. These are all 12 inches. So cold tonight. Okay, so we're going to do... Okay, good. I was like, I should have... Okay, well, hold on, let me figure out my pattern. We'll do these 2 and these 2. No, I like this better. Okay, so we're gonna put these on. An X pattern. You know what I'm gonna do? Actually, let me make these triples too. Okay, hold on. We're gonna cut 2 more of these polka dots at 12 inches. The burlap polka dot. Let me cut 2 more of these. Oh, thank you. Thanks for liking stuff in my Etsy shop. My link's in my bio if you want to go see what I have available. I have 2 more Valentine's Day reads and 2 swags in there. This is one of them that's available. And then I have some Easter stuff, a couple St. Patty's Day in there. Okay, so we are going to just leave these like this, find the middle, and put them into that pipe cleaner, twist them, and then V, like pull them towards you, and then I'm just gonna like fluff those, like just pull them apart so you can see all the different layers of the ribbon. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. Well, now my Etsy shop, and I didn't turn off my sound, as y'all can hear, it's wigging out. Okay, I turned off my sound. Thanks guys so much. Y'all are the sweetest. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing to this corner with those 3. Just find the middle, give it a good twist. Thank you. Thanks for blowing up my Etsy shop. You are amazing. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. I gotta do this. There we go. Because I feel like y'all can hear all of the buzzes too. Okay. So that's what it's looking like. We got 2 more spots. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all the love. And I also, guys, if you're a fellow crafter and wreath maker, I post all of my lives on YouTube. So you can go and watch my lives again. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the love. That helps my Etsy shop, I think, get more views too. So I appreciate that. Oh my gosh, another piece of wire is attached to me. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, same thing. And we're going to put that right into the pipe cleaners again. And then pull towards you like a V. And then spread those tails out. And there we go. There is our super cute wreath. Oh my gosh, sorry y'all had to come back for a part 2. But I'm so excited to finish this one. And this is a custom order, so it won't be on my Etsy shop. But you can place custom orders with me. You just need to message me. Don't message me on TikTok though, because we can't send pictures through Messenger on TikTok. So find me like on Etsy or a different social media platform and message me there. But here she is. Look how cute this wreath turned out to be. Oh, I love her. So fun. I do. I actually do have some videos on YouTube just for my bows. So if you go look there. I know, I do need to make some more videos just of me making bows, for sure. Thanks, Lisa. I do have a book face page. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. Oh, hey, Grace. Hey, girl. You're so welcome. Oh, thanks. You're so sweet. Oh, y'all want to see the back? Oh, you know what? And I didn't, hold on. I didn't put a little piece of ribbon on it. Hold on. Let me do that, and then I'll show y'all the back. I don't even know if I cleaned it up. Hold on. Let me sneak peek it. No, it looks okay. I just forgot to cut my my ribbon wire. Thank you. Okay, so I'm just tying a little piece of ribbon on the back, on the top bracket, and that's just what you're going to use as your drawer hanger. All right, let me clip off that bow. Okay, here's the back. So it's really nice and tidy. None of these pipe cleaners are going to scratch your door. I always try to tuck everything and smush it in. Yeah, make one. You can do it. There you go. So fun. So cute. Oh my god, it's Jen? Oh my god. Okay, well, Grace changed. I swear, y'all have like this. No, you private messaged me that. Okay, I got you confused. I'm sorry, Jen. Okay, now I remember. Because I love your new logo. Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. You're like, I thought you called you Grace earlier. I totally did. I'm sorry. Oh, good. Oh my gosh, congrats. I love that. It makes you feel so good as a wreath maker when you post something and it like immediately sells. It's so great. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. This is going to be like the shortest live video ever, but I got to get back to the house. I got to take care of my little Willa. She's not feeling good. So I will hop on. So tomorrow I'm in the salon until 4. So I'll probably hop on tomorrow night. As long as my daughter is feeling okay. And then for sure Saturday. And then Sunday will be Sunday morning because we're going to Monster Jam Sunday night. It's like at 3. So I'll probably be pooped. I'll probably be so overstimulated after Monster Jam that I'm probably not going to come on Sunday night. But I'll definitely come on Sunday morning. I know I need to go take care of her. But thankfully she already had 1 dose of steroid today. So she should be feeling, I mean, guys, and y'all saw her. Y'all saw how happy and cheery she is. That's how she is even when she's sick. So she's still running around like a crazy person, but it's just like, coughing and the lung issue. So I know she'll get better soon, and I'll definitely be back. It's just going to be less, clearly, because my daughter's not feeling great. But I'll keep y'all posted on her too. So thanks for hopping in, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys. Have a great night and a great weekend if I don't catch you over the weekend. Bye, guys. Oh, you have asthma too, Lisa? Oh, girl. So you know how it is. I'm sorry that you have that because it sucks. All right. Bye, guys. Have a good night.